If you're looking forward to watching Ryder Difrancesco make his Supercross debut at Anaheim 2, well, you're going to be sad here because he's injured and he won't be racing. On his post, or in a post that he made on Instagram, he says, quote, "Tough day in the office on Monday. I thought I just jammed my thumb, but it turns out I pulled a ligament off the bone. I went under the knife today to fix it, and this will be a quick recovery. Me and Ryan Villopoto will be back. Thank you for the team for the support." So, as far as this is reported, he'll probably miss A2. He'll probably miss the second round in Arlington, Texas. So his Supercross futures this year will be a little bit short. But apparently it's not going to affect anything for motocross season or anything else like that after it's healed up. So you still will see him this year. But you got to say, it's a bad year to start already for the pro circuit guys, for the Kawasaki team, with Austin Borkner down and out for who knows how long. And now their young up and coming star out or injured, but I mean with a slight injury, but still injured nonetheless. So it sucks to see. Obviously, he's one of the new up and coming talents. Like obviously, you don't want to see him start to get injured early in his career and just have that thing hang over him. But we'll see how long this actually lasts. Hopefully, just a couple rounds, and then he'll get back into the swing of things, and you'll see him for pro circuit, or you'll see him for motocross, where he's going to switch to the full-time pro circuit team. But sucks to see, but hopefully this is just obviously it's just a minor injury, but hopefully he heals up quick and we'll see him soon. With that, I'll see y'all later. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me and I appreciate it. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.